I would like to thank Squarespace for kindly sponsoring this video. Good morning, friend. Welcome to my what I ate in a week video. I wanted to do one of these videos for a while, but I don't know. I feel like I do a lot of cooking and eating in my vlogs, but at the same time, I have a lot of comments always asking me to share recipes and meal planning ideas, so I thought this would be a great video to do. This morning, I just have a simple toast with cream cheese, spinach, and salmon on top. It's so easy for me to rely on eating a bagel every morning and not having to put much thought into breakfast, but recently I've been wanting to spruce up and add some variety to all of my meals. Also, today is Friday, so I'm not really beginning the week on a Monday like these videos typically do. The week begins when I say it begins. Tonight I am going to watch the film Nausicaa of the Valley of the Wind. For my screenwriting class, I have to watch a movie every single week and then write a little log or review of it. When it came to this recipe, I was really just winging it. I had some leftover chicken broth that I needed to use by the end of the week. So I just tossed it with some noodles and veggies. Of course, the leftover heavy cream I still have, and it turned out pretty good. We also got some fish cake because we didn't have time to come back home and cook rice. This fried chicken place only had fried chicken, so we're at H Mart thinking what would be a side? I guess fish cake. Oh my gosh, this is ginormous. I made some shredded chicken the other day, which is always just a nice thing to have on hand in case you want to add some protein to like a salad or a sandwich. But today for lunch, I am going to make a chicken cheese quesadilla. While I bake, I would like to take a quick moment to thank Squarespace for sponsoring this video. From websites and online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence. They have loads of user-friendly, ready-made templates to choose from, and you don't have to know anything about coding to start building from it. I have created my own website using Squarespace for my freelance editing work. If you are also a creative or just someone who's looking to share their body of work online, I would highly recommend creating a portfolio website. But of course, whatever website you want to make, they will have a template for it. If you are interested in creating your own website, you can head over to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/annikasleaf to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. So thank you once again to Squarespace. And with that, our fluffy dough is ready to begin rising. This scene seems familiar. Another container to put the sugar in, and look, the bottom part of this lid is chipped off. I ordered it through Amazon, so I'm hoping I can get like a new one sent to me, but yeah, she's completely cracked off. Mmm. Ooh, it's good. Creamy.
Really being put on the back burner of SM groups.